What's up, everybody? Today I wanted to bring you this little lesson and teach you guys some inversion shapes. It's my opinion that the cage system sucks for a lot of brain power. It gives you minimal results in musicality and mobility over the fretboard. So I want to teach you guys 4 arpeggio shapes to absolutely explode your mobility over the fretboard and teach you guys kind of the secret weapon of people like Jason Becker and Rick Graham. So stick around. Alright guys, so I am tuned to E flat. If you want to tune to me, that's the note. I will also say if you want to just copy these shapes and where I am on the frets, you can do that, or you can just play everything half step down. So let's get into this. The whole idea of inversions is taking the same group of notes that you'd play on an arpeggio, so 1, 3, 5 octave, but instead of playing it like that, 1, 3, 5 octave, you would play from a different starting note up to the octave of that different starting note, like 3, 5, 1, 3. And that gets you your first inversion. So if we take our major bar chord shape and we add this note on the 9th fret on the low and high E strings, we get our sweep shape that everybody knows and loves. Just the major first position bar chord style sweep shape. And if we slide up here and we take that same collection of notes and play them descending, we get a second inversion, or a first inversion, excuse me. So these collection of notes is 12 to 9 on the high E, 10 on the B, 9 on the G, 11 on the D, 12 on the A string, and then 9 on the low E string. So far, this is what we have. So that's our kind of first inversion shape for our major scale. So far we have this. And you can move between those freely, right? So going up from there, if we go to the octave, just the same collection of notes, just in a different place. This second shape and our final shape for the major arpeggios is 17 to 12. Then on the B string we play 14, D string or G string 14, and then D string 14, and then 16, 12 on the A string. So altogether our major arpeggio shapes are as follows. Then we have our inversion. Then we have our second inversion. Oops. Now we just take that same idea, we just change a note, and we get the same thing for the minor arpeggios. So once again, minor bar chord, add the third. In this case, it is the 8th fret on both the E strings. We slide up, we get 12. We get 12, pull off to 8. 10 on the B, 9 on the G, 10 on the B, 12, and and then 7. So we're just changing that third to get these shapes. So that was a major, and then this is a minor. Hopefully you can see that's just one note off in 2 different spots. So sliding up, we have 17 pull off 12, then 13 on B, then 14, 14 on the G and D strings, then 15 to 12. So with that, there's your 2 more arpeggio shapes for the minor. And there you go. There are your 4 arpeggio shapes to play all your inversions. And this also goes for if you start high in kind of that first position shape. Well, guess what comes right behind it? Our last inversion shape, right? Right? Real simple, real easy. So just to recap, we have our major, just learned a shape here and a shape here, and our minor. So that's just this shape. And that final shape. So 4 extra arpeggios that you gotta learn today. So go out, practice these, and have fun with them. It's a real easy, real simple way to get all the notes from an arpeggio. So that's gonna do it for this week's lesson. If you liked this and you like my lessons and you like my content, feel free to tell me in the comment section. Even if you hated it, go tell me how much it sucked, how bad of a teacher I am. I appreciate it all. Anyways, if you guys like this content and you want to see more, you want to keep up, and you want to take your shred game to the next level, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.